the kids bubble blower. Automatic bubble blower for indoors, outdoors. This is good stuff right here. Boom, oh, boom. It's the bubble disc right there. I think this is for bigger bubbles. I have no idea. Cool. Wow, this one right here. Dude, it's got like little eyeballs. Hey, what's up? I'm a bubble maker. Ha. The soap disc right here. The bubble gun, bubble fun. Bubble blower instruction manual right here. Bubble instruction right there. Oh, bubble solution. Bubble solution. These are the bubble solution right here. 2 cans of bubble solution. It does have a screw right there. You take out a screw and you put in your 2 AA batteries. Boom. The batteries are now installed. We're ready to rock and roll, guys. So many different attachments for your bubble gun. Put the bubble attachment on, clip in. You see these little marks right here? You slide it in, so you turn it so the marks line up. When these marks line up, boom, it's locked in. When you open it, you turn it the other way. You see how it opens up mark, then you can take it out. Once you have the attachment on, all you need to do right there, see it right there? See a nudge right there? Twist it and locked in. Bubble maker. Oh, nice. We got the bubble solution right here. You dip the bubble solution, boom, and then now you got bubble. This other attachment right here, same deal. You just put it on, super easy to attach it. Twist it in. See right now the attachment is locked, and now you have this attachment right there to blow more bubbles. Put the bubbles right here, and then blow bubbles like that. So cool, so awesome. Ah, yeah, iBASETOY right here. Then the last attachment is this one right here. We have so many different options. Big bubbles, small bubbles, lots of bubbles. You just twist it and boom, now it's attached and now you can blow bubbles through this one. Put it on and you got bubbles. There we go. So awesome, right? Automatic bubble machine. This is so cool. It has 3 different bubble attachment and it's got solutions, everything. All you gotta do is put 2 AA batteries in and you're ready to rock and roll. There we go. Oh, yeah.